you are already using your brain at full capacity. So we did those things in kindergarten and the nursing home. That's what you said, Kevin. You said kindergarten and the nursing home. And isn't that what I've been saying? We focus on brain development in elementary school and in the nursing home. Okay. And so what about the middle? What about when your brain is at its highest functioning, when you can actually use it? If you're not rolling through on a walker or a wheelchair, you can't CRS, can't remember shit. Now you're going to pull out a puzzle, a 500-piece doggone jigsaw puzzle of some damn vegetation in a building. Okay. Meditation, dance, exercise, however, the how I didn't know and have become stuck. Okay. So let's follow that, Regina. So these things are leading you to using your brain at full capacity. And it's the best way to use your brain and the best way to become your best. So if you do these things, you are using your brain at full capacity. So, Regina, you would not be stuck because you're using your brain at full capacity. Maybe you should have threw in learn a new language or dance your heart out. But you are a dancer, so you've been dancing your whole life. Okay. So Lola, you say yes, but it still didn't teach me correctly to use my brain. And that is my point. That is my point. So I did 4 different Google searches today from the Mayo Clinic, from AI, online people, and I even used a person's 19-minute video that is very popular. And they had a whiteboard out. This video was from 7 months ago, so it was recent. And they were teaching movement, brain health, momentum, self-talk, and ultra friends. And that was how to use your brain. Personal accountability takes you to a different level of cognitive engagement. Exactly. So now you all can understand every day that I search for brain information, this the bullshit that I got to deal with. This is what I am combing through, a needle and a needle stack. So when you are on the lives going forward, and I have somehow muddled together, I have gone to the vintage store. I am at Savers putting together an after 5 outfit, and I show up looking good. Give me some damn credit, because when I say I am scouring the internet, remember, I already went to the Sahara Library, and the librarian at the reference desk told me I got to go to UNLV's library. That's what she said. You want what? Oh no, you have to go to the college for that. You have to go to the college. And she's not talking about CSN. I got to take my butt downtown and try to hope I can get in to the U, because she didn't even say go downtown to the main library. She said the college library. But you can go on upstairs, and here go the aisles that you could go in, look on both sides. And something might be there. But she did not look hopeful. They know, like Godspeed. So this is how. So if you want it on your own, fuck you, Dr. Donna. I'm going to find this information out for myself. Good luck. Good luck. So on one side, this is the information that we have. And this person in the video said brain health. Listen to neuroscientists and get books on neuroscience. Nola, my amazing offspring. If you like to chime in on me showing you neuroscientist videos, feel free, my amazing child, and tell people what happens when I show you a video of a neuroscientist. And I have shown her multiples to the point where I am now on neuroscience video timeout. She will not, she won't let me show her no more videos. The answer is no. Don't show me no more. And I have shown her people from around the world, from various different age groups and everything, and she don't care. She's like, ma'am, Dr. Donna, no more neuroscientists. None whatsoever. They are boring and suck, snooze fest. And I think she's doing emoji. Okay. So that is what I am up against, ladies and gentlemen, every single day. So all the things that you are already doing, Kevin has checked out, because he is like, that's some kindergarten stuff and some old people stuff. And I'm sitting right here in the middle. I still got everything working and everything. I'm mobile as hell. I'm not trying to do that. Regina said, I'm doing some of those, but I'm stuck. No, it's sleep and yawning. Got it. So sleep and